everybody, welcome back to another video. First I want to say thank you to everybody who's viewed my channel, my shorts, and I want to say thank you for being patient with me as I kind of go through this process to figure out how everything needs to look on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and make sure everything sounds good and on television. Now, when I play things back on my phone or my laptop, everything sounds great. And then sometimes when I get to the television now, after I've put it out there, it sounds different. But I think I figured it out. So I had to adjust my volume on my music and my talking to a certain level so it all sounds the same. So I hope this works. I think I have my camera the right way now. That's been I don't even know. But anyway, so anyways, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for your thoughts. Thank you for just letting me know what it is, you know. I mean, please, if there's something you hear or see that sounds weird or off, please just shoot me a message in the comments, and it really helps me to be able to fix things. If I don't know about it, I don't know about it, you know. So anyways, today I'm going to do a swipe. This is a edge canvas from Jerry's Artarama. It's a 14 by 18. I have all my colors over here, and I'll put everything in the description. And also want to tell you guys, I'm working on my website and I'm super excited. So I've been working really, really hard on this stuff day in and day out. So I'm hoping in the next couple months it'll all be ready. But if you need to contact me, you can contact me at thepaintproject2025@gmail.com, and just put something in the description so I know that it's important, or just put important, and that way I'll know that it's something, because you know, all the spam and stuff. So alrighty, well, as always, I'll throw in some music because I can't talk and paint at the same time. So I'll throw in some music so you guys can enjoy. And I'll show you the wet results when it's done. Thank you for being here. Have a good day. Bye.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar, swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. Real life. Talking about that real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life.
All right, all right. Here are the wet results. This turned out really pretty. I love this. So beautiful. All right, everybody. I want to thank you for painting with me. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll show you the dried results. Bye.